Simple subtraction, what does that even mean? Well, 5 minus 3 is simple because that's 2. 3 minus 5, this is not simple. Basically, we want the top number, the minuend, to be larger than the bottom number, the subtrahend. So another example of simple would be 4 minus 2, that's 2. But 2 minus 4, not simple. So when we're talking about simple subtraction, it means the larger number is up top, smaller numbers on the bottom. Let's give you another example. Let's do 128 minus 116. That's simple subtraction. I think the answer there would be 12. But if I did 116 up top minus 128, that's not simple subtraction. So we're not going to do that. Doesn't mean you won't have simple. What I mean by that is your teacher might ask you, what is 3 minus 5, or what is 2 minus 4, or what is 116 minus 128? I have other videos addressing that, talking about adding signed numbers or adding numbers of different signs. Okay, good luck, guys.